If you're one of the millions with spring allergies, you know it's not just about blooming flowers, it's a battle against invisible foes. Imagine this. You step outside, the sun is shining, birds are singing, and then, achoo! Tommy, our hero, is just like you, eager to enjoy the warm breeze. But with every flower he passes, his nose becomes a faucet. Picture this, a world where every tree is a sneeze trigger and every petal a potential peril. Through watery eyes, Tommy spots something unusual, a cat calmly eating special food. What's this, he wonders. It's a new cat food designed to stop allergies at their source. And that's not all. Tommy learns about a toothpaste. Yes, toothpaste, that could help him say goodbye to his peanut allergy. What a world, where science turns sneezes into smiles and fears into freedoms. So next time you feel a tickle in your nose, remember, relief might just be a discovery away.